angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles, and today I am going to review this product. Yes, Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, which I think so I have done a video like a mini haul, mini NYKAA haul, wherein I showed you this product which I bought newly, but that was fully sealed. But now since I have already used it, so I thought of reviewing this product because I had mixed opinions about this product, so I thought to sort my things out and then to present it in front of you lovely viewers. So now that I have used this product for quite some time, so I thought this is the perfect time to review it for you guys. So yes, let's start with it. Now let's start with the packaging of this product. So yes, it comes in this transparent bottle with a flip open cap, as you can see. Now as you can see, this is a pretty simple bottle, simple packaging, transparent bottle with a pink cap on it, which itself adds a elegance to this bottle. I really love this packaging. This product is available in different sizes. It varies from 125 ml to 400 ml product. So yes, since I was first to try it, so I thought why not go for the 125 ml version, so that since I didn't had any clear view about how this product will be, so I thought to go for the smaller version, and if I love it, then I'll obviously go for the 400 ml one. Yes, now this 125 ml product is really convenient to carry anywhere, like literally anywhere. You can carry it in your handbag and you are just sorted. So yes, and it is also spill proof. As you can see, it's made up of hard plastic and it have a flip open cover, so yes, it will not leak at all. So yeah, now this cleansing water exactly looks like distilled water, as you can see it, but only difference is that if you shake it, then it will form bubbles over here. As you can see, the bubbles are right here, which actually, if you see it, it will feel like it is some kind of cleansing agent. So yes, and also it doesn't have any kind of fragrance, like literally no fragrance. I thought that some cleansing agent do have pungent smell to it, or many have many fragrances too, but this is absolutely free of any kind of fragrance, which is a positive point. So yes, this product also doesn't sting your eyes or doesn't irritates your skin. So this is quite a boon for sensitive skin people. So yes, you can actually apply it over your eyes, your face, your lips, so any facial areas you can really apply it easily, and it will really not sting your face and it will not irritate your skin. Now, many of you people might have questioned, like, it is called Garnier Micellar Water. Now what does this micellar water actually mean at all? So yes, I'll say you what it actually means. Now at the very first, I must tell you that I might sound a bit like a chemistry lab kind of a teacher, because you might be really interested to know what micellar means, because I was really interested to know what does this mean. Micelles are electrically charged particles built up from polymeric molecules or ions and occurring in certain colloidal solutions, colloidal electrolytic solutions like soaps and detergents. So these micelles are actually attracted towards the dirt and the oil which we have on our skin. So yes, and they just pull out those impurities from your skin without making it dry. Isn't it like a great thing? Now let me say you how I use this product. So I actually use this product before applying any kind of cleanser on my face to remove my makeup. So yes, it is, I just take a certain amount of this product on the cotton pad and I just wipe it out. It works well in removing base makeup and lipsticks, but when it comes to the waterproof eye makeup, it becomes a little bit difficult and jazzy since I have to use multiple times these products to get most of the makeup out. So yes, that is the thing which I didn't like about it. But yes, it's okay, fine. After that, I use the facial cleanser anyhow to remove all of my makeup, whichever is left. Now time to say what I like and what I dislike about this product. So yes, first let's start with what I like about this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. So the very first point is that I really love it because it doesn't irritate my skin and doesn't breaks my skin out. So yes. Second is that it has a simple, pretty packaging, transparent packaging, which lets us see how much quantity is left behind, which is pretty good, you know. Thirdly, it is travel friendly packaging and it is spill proof and is also very lightweight. So fourth good point is that it doesn't have any kind of fragrance. Yes. And fifth is that it doesn't make my skin dry. Yes. And last good point is that it doesn't contain any paraben or sulfates or any kind of alcohols. So yes, it is really a good product for any kind of sensitive people, sensitive skin people. So yes. Now time to say what I do not like about this product. I don't have much in my list, only two is there. So the very first is that as it claims that it removes makeup in one swipe, which Alia Bhatt, yes, Alia Bhatt advertises this product, right? That in one swipe you just get off. The eye makeup is just off. I don't know how, but it doesn't happen actually. Yes. So the second con is that it is really hard to remove the waterproof makeup with it. But then it's absolutely fine since Garnier have other variant to remove waterproof makeup. So the name is Garnier Oil Infused. Am I right? Garnier Oil Infused Cleansing Water, or so the name is. So you can just check it out on NYKAA or any other portal which you want to. So yes. So I went so much of blah that I forgot to mention the price of this product. Wow. So for 125 ml, this product costs you rupees 175. So yes, quite affordable, I must say you. That goes into the plus point. So yes, it is really a wonderful product. So if I have to rate this product on 5, I would give it 4.5 since 0.5 deducted because of Alia Bhatt. Because she shows it like one swipe and it's, but no, it doesn't happen. So you have to work hard. So yes, that's all about this review. Just comment down below if you find this review helpful. So yes, and I will also like to announce one thing which I think so I have told you in my earlier video, that I'll say some secret to you. It's my life update kind of a thing. So I'm getting hitched very soon, guys. So that was the secret which I told you in my previous video. So yes, I'm very sorry guys, I wouldn't be able to post videos for a few weeks because of the marriage thing, you know it well. So yes, I'll miss you all guys, but don't worry, I'll come soon. And till then, stay connected guys. I need your love and blessings for a new phase of my life which I'm going to start very soon. So yes, after that I'm sure to post photos, and I'll be there in Insta, my Insta profile, unboxing_smiles. So yes, do follow me over there to check out my photos. Yeah, the updates. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for giving so much of love, care and support. Thank you so much, all subscribers, all viewers. Thank you so much. And yes, I shall see you in my I don't know when I'll see you, but yes, hope to catch you all very soon. Till then, stay happy, take care, lots of love.